Today we're having a look at AWeber and Hubspot. We want to know, when looking for email marketing software, which one of these tools will be better. Alright, we're jumping into AWeber now, and AWeber is powerful, it is focused, and we're going to get into exactly what they do. So, if you have a small business, alright, it is fantastic. They offer email marketing as well as great automations. So you can generate high converting emails, subject lines, newsletters in your own brand voice instantly, saving hours of actual writing time and thinking. You can see a visual workflow builder which enables seamless email sequences like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and sales funnels. And then they have a built-in landing page builder and sign-up form capture that converts visitors into subscribers. And they are rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with an extensive educational resource and expert guidance community to help you succeed. If you are an entrepreneur, a blogger, a coach, or a small e-commerce business, including Etsy sellers who want to grow audiences and boost sales, AWeber is perfect for you. It's an all-in-one platform, so it does come with more than 750 integrations with sites like Shopify, PayPal, Facebook, Zapier, and they have advanced segmentation and purchase-based tagging, reliable deliverability that ensures your inbox placement. Now, their competitive edge and their marketing position. They start with their light plan from $15 a month for up to 500 subscribers with essential features and e-commerce tools. Their plus plan comes in at $30 a month. It unlocks unlimited automations, landing pages, and users, ideal for any business that is scaling. Now, these prices are subject to your region, so make sure that you just double check that on their official website. Their competitive strengths include 27 years of innovation, their AI-driven speed, visual insights, and shareable workflows, which is amazing. They've got a 4.4 user rating in email marketing software, and 70% of their users are businesses with 1 to 10 employees. So these are super small businesses, and yet they're using this software. If you have a small business, a small operation, something basic, simple, AWeber is a good choice. Let's have a look at what Hubspot actually has to offer. So Hubspot offers quite a comprehensive suite of integrations and marketing, sales, and customer service functionalities. This extensive range allows you as a business owner to manage all the aspects of your customer engagement from one single platform in one spot. HubSpot also provides a free CRM version, which makes it accessible for startups and small businesses. This option enables you and your team to start managing customer relations without any financial commitment. HubSpot features powerful email marketing tools as well that allow you to design, automate, analyze, and a whole bunch more. The capability enhances outreach efforts and can help you nurture leads through personalized communication. HubSpot also offers a rich knowledge base and support center. It provides you with numerous resources to troubleshoot and optimize the use of your software. This support can significantly enhance your overall user experience, especially for new teams. You can also create custom reporting dashboards to visualize key metrics that are relevant to your specific business goals. And this flexibility can really allow your team to track performance effectively and make the necessary adjustments in real time. HubSpot also includes lead generation tools, which is great, such as forms, landing pages, and pop-up designs to captivate your visitors and capture their information. These features streamline the process of converting site visitors into qualified leads. And there we go, folks. Communication is key in business. If you're using the right email marketing software, you have a higher chance of converting. If this was enjoyable, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.